Fourth over. Walker met with some fierce cover. Should be a couple of runs and easy couple of runs. Good start for the over for Bangladesh.
5 of 5. Ripon Mondal on strike. The last wicket, but still the hope is there for Bangladesh.
Every reason to hope, man. It's just 5 of 5. These two have been majestic. They have brought the people back. They brought the hopes back. They got this whole dugout jumping again in excitement. And this is how it all came together. In the slot, asking for trouble, and Sucklen just being brilliant.
First semi-final went down to the wire, won on the super over Bangladesh. Pakistan shines in the second semi-final, won it by 5 runs, went down to the wire again, and yet again we need 5 of 5. Lower delivery, sensible, and very good fielding at the short extra cover. There was a chance for a second run. You got to give it for the commitment by, I think it's Saad Masood.
This is brilliant from both the batters, must say. Taking the single when it's offered and having a chat as well in the middle.
Both the batters have been very sensible. The key has been the communication. And the important thing is, what is the captain telling the bowler now? What is the next plan? Because remember, it's just a stroke away. Bangladesh can be the champions for the first time, and Pakistan will need to take a gamble. Call it Yorker, a slow one, a bouncer, or whatever gives them the wicket.
Got to give it to Bangladesh for the fight back in the last 4 overs. Against all the odds, have played well. They kept cool under pressure. Some lusty hitting by the 2 fast bowlers. And most of us in the com box, as well as our viewers, would have thought is a Pakistan shines going through. But Bangladesh batters have been like, nah, we will have a strong defense and we will not go down without a fight. 4 of 4. It's Sucklen at the striker's end. Nerves everywhere. Ahmad Daniel, you could see the pressure in his eyes. He comes in. 4 of 4 again. Good Yorker. Run the first one hard. Ripon Mondal says just a single would do. Doing it in singles, Bangladesh.
Yeah, 3 of 3, why not? A single would do for them.
You have to say, brilliantly played. It was great bowling in the block hole and quick, but very well negotiated. Are we slowly moving towards the super over? Maz, any quote for the super overs?
Yeah, let me process it first, Salman. It's too much to handle at the moment. For us, for the players in the middle, everyone in the stadium.
Let me get you some water.
What about you, Salman?
I have it with me.
Nervous faces. Some spectators did leave the stadium around the 16th over. Pretty sure they would have come back. The game's going down to the wire, and certainly this wonderful tournament, DP World Men's Rising Stars Asia Cup, deserves a finish like that. A fairy tale ending.
Millions of people across both countries are glued to their screens, all praying for their victory. That is great scenes. The crowd has come back. A lot of them went earlier on, and these two have pulled them back. Ripon has been a top-notch performer.
I think the Bangladeshi fans need to consult a heart surgeon. Whenever Bangladesh plays, things go right down to the wire. We have seen the semi-final, now again.
Entire spectators, as well as people, millions of people watching this coverage, have got what they wish for. A close final. 3 of 3. Bouncer. Change of length. That's what I think Irfan Khan, as the skipper, would have given that choice or that idea by the skipper to Daniel.
That's what we were talking about earlier. What next? What plan? What gamble? And the mid-off came up. So as a batter, you could expect the length to change, and it certainly did. But again, full marks to the batter. He did not play any shot out of pressure. He just left the ball. He knows they're just a strike away.
Yeah, he was caught in two minds, but rightly mentioned, Salman, eventually he does really well. But the tensions are there for us, everyone in the stadium, in the middle. 3 of 2.
Crucial delivery for the outcome. Irfan Khan at mid-off, he's taking his own time, getting the fields right, getting the tactics right. And Daniel so far has been brilliant. 2 for 11 of 3.4. Akbar Ali cannot watch it. He'd rather be in the middle rather than watching it from the dugout as a skipper. Certainly Pakistan shines, probably trying to break the batsman's rhythm by taking time.
Keeper, I think, has his glove off. Put it behind his back, so the plan may be ball an outside Yorker.
Another bouncer and running for it. Ahmed Daniel, he misses it. There was a golden opportunity. Wow. Ghazi Gori did the right thing, threw the ball to the bowler. And Irfan Khan just letting the ball on a wide in to take 2 more steps. Nevertheless, a bye been taken.
The script of this game is surely written up in the heavens, Salman.
Everything, my dear, everything is written up there. Underneath is only guessing. Sometimes you get it right, and other times you just come to know that it's not you or anybody else here downstairs. Once again, he had all the time. And he's asking the fielder, why didn't he come up to the stumps? Well, if the plan was that clear, he could have just bowled and ran back to the stumps.
So Maroof was saying, who wants a super over? 2 off the final ball. What a tournament we had. So everything will be decided in the final ball of the tournament. Oh.
Think about those who have their flight at 1:30 a.m. Leave the rest.
4th and 5th delivery was short deliveries. The last ball coming up. Daniel, probably in my opinion, will be thinking, I want to go for the glory. Pull it nice and full. 2 needed last delivery.
Even the chief doesn't want to look at the things directly.
Bounce again. Single bean run. And it's going for a super over. Oh, we wish for a super over. We got a super over. We got the same thing 2 days ago when Bangladesh A beat India A. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's super over time.
That was the last thing. And that was the final thing. Oh, boy.